So I just finished filming. I was gonna clean my place, but the sun is out. I don't know if you can see that. It's the first time in forever. So I'm gonna go walk my dog instead and then do a cleaning montage after. Okay, let's go. Just so you guys can see what a mess my place has turned out. Okay, let me just grab this. And then let me just grab this little bum. Max, you wanna go for a walk? Why do dogs do this? They run away from you. Monkey! Look, he brought the bath mat out the entire time I was filming. So the tapping is what you hear. That's him. Come on! Let's go! Come on! Come on! You don't want to go for a walk? Come on before it starts raining again. Off we go! So I'm back from my walk. I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning. So I usually just start off with whatever's easier to clean up, and that is my couch cover, which is just the bed sheet. I know it looks ugly, but my dog's hair used to get all over it, and he was an anxious dog, so he would always like sit on it and wait for me by the door, and then like lick his paws and just get the couch dirty. So I just decided to put this bed sheet on to keep it as clean as I possibly could. I usually take it off when people come over. Now, I don't know about you, but my dining table is where all the junk goes to die because I don't have a lot of counter space, you could say. So, keeping the table clean is somewhat of a challenge. And because I sit here and do my homework, it just creates a bigger mess or makes it look like a bigger mess than it actually is. So, I have to clean it constantly. I generally like to clean one area at a time. It's just more satisfying seeing one area cleaned at a time. Therefore, I don't get overwhelmed and then I move on to the next thing. So, to clean my counters, I use Allen's multi-purpose kitchen cleaning vinegar. It's great, but the smell is strong and it definitely feels like it's something that I could make at home with just purchasing my own vinegar, but it does the job. I got some new shoes, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. I can't decide if they're my style or not. I know I quickly just show the shoes here in this shot, but yeah, if you could let me know in the comments down below if I should keep them or not. They're definitely out of my comfort zone, and that's what I've been trying to do with my style. I'm just unsure if I'll ever wear it because I don't have a lot of clothes that would go with it, or at least I think I don't. I got some frames from IKEA to put around my place, but now I don't know if I want them or if I will wait to put them up until I know what's going on with my living situation. So in the closet they go for now, and then I'll return them if I need to. So I'm definitely not happy currently with how my place looks like, hence why I bought all this stuff from IKEA. But like I said, I'm not sure if I'm going to be staying, and if I don't, I want to save my money to decorate my new place. Oh, you educate the head, Whenever I cleaned my place, Monkey would always run to the opposite side of my place to get far away from me, and he would always get mad if I ever touched his bed. That's right, he had multiple beds. The one that you can't see is my bath mat in my bathroom that he would always go and mess up as soon as I was done putting it back. Now I quickly, or I want to say I do it quickly, but I think it just takes me a really long time. But I use my sister's Dyson vacuum with the hardwood floor attachment, and it just cleaned up Monkey's hair really well and anything on the ground. As for any bits of food that would fall on the ground from cooking or when I would eat, that was Monkey's job to clean up. It was his favorite job. So I usually try and take my recycling out as often as I can, but the outside is being renoed, so it's all mud and dirt. And therefore, when it rains, I don't like going outside because it just gets everything dirty. My feet get dirty. Monkey coming in and out to pee got everything dirty. So when it's sunny, I definitely take that chance to go throw everything out because there's less mud. The one thing I hate most in the world is folding laundry. So usually my stuff just stays in the dryer once it's done drying, and then I go through it day by day. Like I'll take out what I need and leave it in there. I only fold if I really, really need to because I don't know what it is. I just cannot stand folding clothes. It drives me up the wall. Other than folding laundry, I genuinely love cleaning my place. I love living by myself. I just love not having to look after anyone. I do have really high cleaning standards, and so it annoys me when things aren't cleaned up to my standard. Hence why I like living by myself. And if anyone were to live with me, it'd be very annoying for them because I have a lot of rules. Just before I go ahead and start cleaning my bathroom, I just want to show you the before. Dried my hair with my Revlon all-in-one blow dryer. Any review on this? go ahead and check it out if you haven't already. I did just want to quickly add in that not having a lot of counter space is a plus for me at the moment because there's not a lot of room, therefore I can't get that messy, which is great. Okay, I need to quickly organize this. This is a mess here. Basically, that is what I'm looking at. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean that. I always feel bad throwing out my eyelashes. I stick there until I can clean them. Hair clips. Sympathy for the skin. My friend bought that for me for my birthday. I love it. So as I'm cleaning my drawer, I am not throwing out much because it's all stuff that I use. I just don't have the space for it. This specific dry shampoo, I'm just talking about how much I hate it. Don't get it. I really like everything else or most things from the Got2b brand, but this was not it. So I'm cleaning my mirror with my same multi-purpose cleaning vinegar, Allen's multi-purpose cleaning vinegar. What I normally do though is after I shower and it's all steamed up, I just take my towel and I wipe it down and that cleans it, and that is just another upkeep tip. Clean as you go, you guys. Don't have to waste a full day cleaning. This is the end result of my little bathroom. I know it still looks messy inside there, but it's way more organized than it was before, and I can grab things. Palettes I'm usually having an issue with just because they're so big. You can find these organizers at IKEA. So here's a quick shot of everything cleaned up. It's not 100% clean. It's only because I sit down and it's just everything gets messy all over again. So it's life. It's clean enough for me. I'm constantly fixing this bed sheet on my couch cover. It's the one thing that actually does annoy me that it's not smooth, but I like that it keeps my couch clean, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm done. Hope you liked my video of just me cleaning. I like watching these videos. I don't know why, they're really satisfying. So I thought I'd make another one because I've done a few of these. Anyway, give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to see more of this.
Oh, hi. Thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
I'll see you guys next time. Bye.